Hi everyone, this is the week 4 word reading fluency. This will be your only fluency this week as well. There is no passage reading fluency. Just to review, for book D, your goal is 145 words per minute. You guys have been doing a great job so far. Again, for the word reading fluency, your score might look lower than that. That's okay. These are more challenging than the passage fluency. I'm going to talk a little bit more in depth about some of these words because they can be pronounced in two different ways, as we usually discuss in class. Okay, so I'll go ahead and start reading the words, and then you know the drill at the end. Pause and record your score. Okay, so you have perform, perfect. So the other way you can pronounce this word is perfect. For this word reading fluency, try to use the words as a verb. So like if you were to perfect something, that's an action. And then over here, I'm going to skip over to reject. So reject can be a verb, as in I'm rejecting someone and pushing them away. But it can also be a person, like reject. Okay, where you have the emphasis on the first syllable. Try to focus on the emphasis being on the second syllable. Reject, like that, using it as a verb. If you happen to make an error and you say reject, that's okay. But for the sake of keeping these all verbs, you want to make sure you're pronouncing them correctly in that sense. Okay, so I'll start over. So you've got perform, perfect, prefer, difficult, defector, disinfect, reject, object, and you hear how I'm using the schwa sound in the first syllable. I'm using this as a verb. So like a judge would say, I object. Okay? Memorize and legalize. So again, if you make the mistake of saying object and perfect instead of object and perfect, that's okay. But I just want you to know why those words have those two different pronunciations. Okay? Good luck. Keep up the good work, everyone.